What's up, vlog? Michael's vlog. What up?
Gary V,
What
yay.
up?
Top of Lennox Head near Byron Bay, the two paragliders. That would have been cool with the drone, but it's a little bit windy. Just look a bit tired, sound a bit tired. Just had a bit of a half an hour nap. It's 11 PM, 11 AM. After this morning's early morning start, I'm going to head out to Nigel's and do some work out at Lennox Head. Byron Bay, this is Tallow Beach, Byron Bay, sun is setting, and again we've been fooled by the cloud, and it looks like it's going to be a fizzer. Let's enjoy the sunset. That's the lighthouse up there somewhere, over there maybe, yeah, lighthouse. It's a really peaceful beach, that's for sure. Nice, not many people out. It's quite windy. It's not that hot. It's really nice, peaceful. There's like 5 people down there, and there's like 30 people over there, and that's it. Unlike some of the other beaches around here, which are completely packed. Waiting for this storm to happen. You just saw the sun setting from under this. I don't know, Nigel just told me what the name of these trees are. I'm sitting under it with a bit of shelter, and it's a nice little silhouette. And I'm waiting for this storm. It looks huge. The weather has changed dramatically in the last 10 minutes. Admittedly, I was around the other side of this area, which seems to be a little bit sheltered, but the wind has picked up, the sea has gotten a lot rougher, and the clouds that are rolling in are really thick storm clouds. And if you look, I'll show you now. They're without doubt thunderstorm clouds. So this could be pretty sick from here. This is called the Path, which is part of the Byron Bay kind of bay area, and there's a lookout behind me. We tried to go there 2 or 3 days ago for sunrise, but it didn't really work. I'm going to hang around here and see if this storm will roll in. The end the vlog here. I'm just waiting for my dinner, and then I'll head back to Nigel's. It's been a really good time here in Byron. I'll have to come back again soon. Next week I head to WA for another, I'm not sure how long for. I know I've got a rally for like 4 days. But I'm planning to head to Esperance and down to Margaret River again, and maybe up north, so maybe another 2 weeks after that, so maybe 3 weeks in total. As usual, don't forget to subscribe down below, like the video, and comment. Good night.